In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your items listing on Facebook Marketplace. To get started, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, log into your Facebook account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are using the account where your marketplace items were originally posted, since your listings will only appear under that specific profile. After you are logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage. In that menu, click on Marketplace. This will take you to the Facebook Marketplace section where you can browse listings, manage your activity, and access your selling tools. If you do not immediately see Marketplace, you may need to scroll a little in the menu until it appears. Once you are inside Marketplace, look for the option labeled Your Account or Your Listings. Facebook sometimes changes the wording slightly depending on the version of the site you are using, but both options lead you to the area where your active and past listings are stored. Click that section to open it. Now you will be able to browse all of your marketplace listings in one place. This is the main area where you can review the items you currently have posted and check on their status. If you have several listings, take a moment to scroll through them carefully so you can find the exact item you want to manage. When you select a specific listing, Facebook gives you several management options. Depending on the item and its current status, you may be able to edit the listing, renew it so it becomes more visible again, mark it as sold, or delete it entirely. This makes it easy to keep your marketplace inventory up to date and make changes whenever needed. As a quick tip, if you are not seeing the listing you expected, double check that you are signed into the correct Facebook account and that the item was actually posted to Marketplace rather than somewhere else on Facebook. It can also help to refresh the page if the listings take a moment to load. That's all it takes to view your item's listing on Facebook Marketplace. Once you know where the Marketplace section and your listings area are, it becomes much easier to track, update, and manage everything you are selling.